First step, downloading the app. You can download it on the App Store for iOS system. It can be done in Yongbao for Android system. Second step, the configuration of hotspot. You can add the Wi-Fi doorbell device directly. If you connect with internet cable, 1. You should wait for the start of device. It will be about 40 seconds when it is plugged in power. 2. You find Smart Home XXX to connect. You open the Wi-Fi setting in your mobile phone when the ring bell with voice hints. Three. Turn on the app. Do not turn off the push function. Click the on the top right corner, then go to the interface. 4. Click search or scan QR code on the back of the device to add the ID and input the password. The default is 999,999. 5. If the app shows online, then it is done successfully. Third step, connecting the router. You click setting, then it goes to interface of setting. You should choose the Wi-Fi internet. When you open the setting options, then you choose the existing internet to connect with password. It is done successfully when the device shows online. Fourth step, connecting the music box of Wi-Fi doorbell. You should long press the volume button, then you can press the Wi-Fi doorbell key. Once the music box rings, if the Wi-Fi doorbell also ring, it means that the pairing is successful. If not, please do not stop doing the operation steps above until it is paired successfully.